morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Getting ready to go to a garage sale and put on my dress like this. It's all mangumi, but apparently we don't have a iron. I don't know what happened to it. It grew its own legs and went walkabout. But my hair is so disgusting. It wasn't very far. The garage sale was actually walking distance from my house. But we came with all the kids, so we came in the car. I really don't feel like going in, so I'm just staying here with my little man. And Siaosi's gone with my dad to hand in his resume to a car parts place. They're looking for people, and they told him yesterday to bring in his resume. So even though we're doing courses to get his white card for welding, but anyways, we had plans to be together today again this weekend, because the weekend is the only time that I have free to spend with my husband, and my parents and anyone else who wants to spend time with him has the weekdays. And still, I find myself alone every weekend, or for majority of it. But I ain't complaining, as long as, I mean, it could be worse. My dad could hate him. But it's good that they get along well. How old? He's 6 months.
Beautiful you. Hi. What? That's a mozzie nest, eh? You don't need it here, you need it on your island.
I need the island.
That's right. Which island? Fiji?
Samoa.
Depend.
I've got cool things. Coffee machine.
The small one. So half put them here and half just hold it. It's alright?
Are you okay? Be careful. I've got all these stains on my dress. I don't know if you can see them. You kind of can. It's not because I don't know how to eat. Thank you very much. It's because I put coconut oil from Samoa in my hair, and I feel like it's working. It's making my face shiny. It's making me look beautifully. I'm still waiting for my husband to come home. Good morning. I just woke up from a 4-hour nap in the afternoon, and I have not had a smoothie for so long. Sorry, I'm over dramatic, but I'm making a smoothie. It's got banana, kale. I'm gonna put some strawberry in it. It'll be my husband's first time tasting it as well.
Yes.
I'm sure he will like it, is what I'm meant to say, but he doesn't seem keen because of the kale. He doesn't think that it's gonna taste nice. He's just gonna have to wait and see. I'ma prove him wrong. I'ma prove you wrong. Strawberries, banana, kale. Oh, there's no mango. There is no mango. Oh. Got this. It's 4 fruits mix.
Hi, Joshua.
Frozen fruits.
Yep. Okay.
This is chia seeds. So he's just gonna, his first time tasting it. Shut up, you liar.
It's so nice.
Drink it all before you go. Did you drink it, Soso?
Ah, yeah.
It's been such a long while since my body has gotten any nutrients, to be honest. We're gonna go shopping now because Mama Bear's gonna make her specialty. Salmon bite. Oh, this is for twins. No. That's for old people. What?
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this too. Oh my god. Hello, big fella. Biggie. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Our favorite store. And what are we buying, Mum?
Custard.
She's gonna whip up and do her thing in the kitchen. Oh. And I just feel so good after drinking that smoothie, honestly. I just cannot stress enough how good I feel. It's so important to give your body nutrients, and lately I have not been doing that. I'm so sorry, body. But I promise, from here on out, I will. Hopefully. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Desire, where's Santa? Oh, you have to put your letter there. You have to post your letter there.
I have my cell number.
Okay, you can put it in there if you like. What are you? Does that mean that's everything you want for Christmas? All right, put it in. Thank you, Santa.
Bye, Santa.
Whoa, look at this big tree. Oh, come this way. You can't go up the stairs. My baby. It's getting thicker now. Huh? Now it's custard. Oh, this is so good. I just had a spoonful of custard. You gotta mix, 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 mix. Are we almost finished, Mum? Yeah, we're almost finished making our pie, but I can't tell you the recipe, so our pies are underway. This is mine that I, you know what that means? That I made. Mum's, Chris's. And now I'm just getting ready to make my mashed potato. Yeah, girl. 뭐야? 왜 I wanna bite it? That was yours, Mom. Mine's down the bottom. That bottom one's mine. Oh, who the hell owns that one? That better not be mine. Oh my gosh. No, it's not. That one's mine, Mom. No? That's mine, that's yours, that's Chris's. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. So I've got sausages and mash. This is my dinner. I made the mashed potato. So you didn't really see him much in the vlog because he's been out all day with my dad. Well, this is the end of our vlog. I'll have to let you know how the pie tastes because I'm going to taste one tonight. And thanks for coming along with us. Say bye. Say bye. Anyways, bye.